Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is your boy Adam4, and you're tuned in to Second Life Customs. Today we're going to be working on a pair of Air Force Ones low tops. Just a $40 cleanup. First things first, we're going to begin by removing the shoelaces. This process can drag, but by removing the shoelaces, this is going to make the process 10 times easier. And then we're going to add 2 or 3 drops of shoe cleaner, in this case, Reshoevn8er shoe cleaner, into a warm bowl of water. Then we're going to get our soft bristle brush and begin our scrubbing. And then you want to insert your shoe trees. This is going to give it that firm look, restore it back to its original form. I want to take a second and thank all my fans for tuning in to Second Life Customs. I thank you all for your support. Truly from the heart, your boy, Adam4. And then we're going to get our hard, firm yellow bristle brush and begin scrubbing the bottoms. Remember, the harder and the more work you put into the bottoms, the better the results. It's always best to use a screw pen if you have any stubborn gunk stuck to the bottom of the shoes. In this case, hardened bubble gum. You can purchase a screw pen at the 99-cent store or at your nearest Dollar Tree. After using your screw pen, you want to give it a rewash. You want to repeat this process maybe once or twice with your hard bristle brush. Before we begin our paint job, we're going to use Angelus Deglazer. This product is likely to be the most important product in shoe cleaning. So if you skip out on this product, you're likely not going to be 100% satisfied with your shoe at the end, as this product guarantees you'll have a long-lasting paint job for years to come. Then we're going to get a pair of scissors and remove any loose threads. Just a heads up, I am not sponsored by any of these products I use. I just like using them. I find them to work well. Then I'm going to use my blow gun to blow off any loose threads. For those tough stains on the shoelaces, throw them into a bowl with a Reshoevn8er shoe cleaner. And then we're going to get our Angelus flat white and begin painting. When painting any shoes, I recommend to use Angelus paints, as they are really made for any leather materials and specifically the shoe. So I would use Angelus paint and suggest you to use it too. Then I'm going to apply black walk-ons for the bottoms. It's an oily substance that hardens over the time. After that dries up, I'm going to apply a bit of flat black on the bottoms. The mixture between the two is going to give you a hard, solid walk-on. And it's going to be really durable and last for months to come. And if your shoe tongues still look dirty after washing, do not worry. Apply 2 drops of Reshoevn8er, 2 drops of Carbona stain remover into a warm steam water. This will do the trick. Then you want to get a grocery bag, make a little incision with a mini blade, and just throw your shoe in there. Then pull out the tongue from the outside and begin your cleaning process. After carefully giving it a quick rinse in the sink, you want to wrap tightly with 2 or 3 pieces of paper towels. Don't rush perfection. Let it sit overnight. Voila. Hey, what's up YouTube? This is your boy Adam 4. Thank you for tuning in to Second Life Customs. Please, if you enjoyed the video, please drop a like, comment, and possibly share. Oh, and also subscribe and hit that bell. And until we meet again, much love.